Hello and welcome to the British Dapper, and today we're talking about wear jeans with some style. So when it comes to wearing jeans, we're all aware of the typical sort of look that you see nowadays. For example, this look where you can see it's just a t-shirt, grubby pair of jeans, no belt being worn, and then obviously we come down to a pair of running shoes, which are great if you're running. That's not such a good look if you're actually wearing jeans for a formal event or going somewhere special. Now, admittedly, wearing jeans is controversial in its own right, because a lot of traditionalists will go, I never wear jeans, I only wear trousers, I only wear cavalry tweed or chinos at a push. But we can't ignore the fact from time to time it's nice to wear a pair of jeans, just casually, everyday sort of wear. Now, admittedly, I wear jeans. I don't wear jeans like the look I've just shown you. That is artificially created especially for this video, but I do wear jeans from time to time, and on this occasion the videos come to mind because of another trip I'm doing to Cardiff again, South Wales, which is about an 8-hour drive. It's a long drive in a car, stuck in traffic, so I want to be comfortable when I do that. And typically, whilst a lot of people say, well, I'm very comfortable wearing that sort of outfit, I don't feel comfortable inside wearing that. And so I just change it slightly to travelling wearing this. And as you can see, there's a little subtle change. I'm wearing a short-sleeved shirt. It's not, I know a lot of people will say don't wear long short-sleeve shirts, but in this occasion, if you're going to wear one with a bit of pattern and a bit of structure to it, checks or stripes, and not a plain colour. But as you can see, I'm wearing a belt, and obviously the darker jeans now, and on this occasion I'm wearing some desert boots, and I'll explain why in a second. But overall, I think you'll agree that it's an improvement on the previous look that I showed you. So, what about footwear? So, I know a lot of people do wear trainers or running shoes with jeans, and that's a personal choice. I personally, if I'm going to wear jeans and I'm going into town, or I'm meeting up friends for a coffee or some very low level sort of function, then I wouldn't wear trainers. I mean, if you're going to wear just a pair of jeans and a shirt or even a t-shirt, I'd wear one with a collar on it, like a polo shirt, and maybe raise the bar a little bit by wearing a pair of plimsolls or skating sneakers, something along those lines, compared to this look. The next stage up for me would be something a little bit more structured, and the desert boot or chucker boot as another good alternative. And when it comes to the comfort side of it, whilst people might opt for the training shoe, a lot of plimsolls now have got extra padding in them, and these have got crepe soles, so they give you they're breathable and they move, they're really comfortable on your feet. Whereas a pair of shoes for a long period of time, especially driving, can be uncomfortable after a while. So especially where the laces cross over the bridge of the foot, with long periods of sitting, you'll find your feet swell a little bit, and besides the typical sort of achy back and little things associated with long driving. So I always set off my journey wearing something comfortable, but like I said, it looks a little bit more better than just jeans, t-shirts and a pair of trainers. Now whilst I'm in Cardiff, lovely place, and here's the City Hall, a lovely fantastic building, and Cardiff has a multitude of buildings like this in the place itself. It's a very historic area. There's a castle, there's some lovely buildings there. If you're ever in Cardiff, I suggest you have a walk around, have a look in the parks as well. They're fantastically maintained. They do really look good. But getting back to the dress side of it, the clothing, what I would say is that I'm going to use this opportunity to show you different ways of wearing jeans over a 4-day period I'm there. And the reason why I say 4 days is because today is a bank holiday and I'm travelling on a bank holiday all the way to Cardiff to do some more work there, mentoring people in a new job role. So I hope you enjoy this part of the video. 4 different outfits, 4 different ways of wearing different types of jeans. Now when it comes to jeans, you don't just have to stick with the indigo or denim coloured jeans. There are dark jeans, black jeans, brown jeans, there are stone, olive coloured jeans, you've got burgundy coloured jeans, and grey as well. I've got a very unusual pair of grey jeans that you'll see later in the video, which has got a slight blue stripe going through them. They look more like dress trousers than they do jeans, but I can assure you everything I wear jeans wise are all jeans. The rest that I wear is just a way of dressing up a little bit and changing the image a little bit. Let's have a look at what we came up with over the 4-day period. So here we are, day 1, and we're wearing darker jeans, a blue dress shirt and tweed jacket with a pocket square just to give it a bit of life and a bit of colour. So as you can see, don't have to do much to shish it up a bit. And in this case, with the darker jeans, we're wearing brown shoes with it. A very plain brown shoe, but it's aesthetically better than what we were wearing, and it didn't take a lot of effort. So I'll show you a few photographs now. So here's the look here. You can see the jacket and how it plays out with the dark jeans, and here's the jeans obviously, and with the shoe combination, and as you can see it's quite a pleasing look. I think it's a very good alternative to just wearing jeans and a scraggy old t-shirt and a pair of trainers. So here we are, day 2, different look, again wearing jeans. Believe it or not, these are jeans. They're a grey material, cotton denim material, and it's got a slight blue line running through it. Now with that I've paired it with a blue striped Bengal striped shirt and a houndstooth or fine houndstooth jacket, black and white jacket with a simple pocket square just to give it a little bit of colour, and brown shoes. So as you can see here, this is the jacket, and here are the shoes, and you can see the trousers again. Jeans don't have to be just a blue denim wash, faded. They can be other colours, and throughout the next few video shots you'll see a range of different colours, all of them are classed as jeans. They're not chinos, they're not trousers that look like chinos, they're not trousers, they are jeans, and they are bought from reputable stores as jeans. They're just coloured differently, that's all. So looking forward to day 3, and we'll see what we get then. So here we are, day 3, a different look again. This time we're using taupe or stone coloured jeans, and as an alternative to wearing jeans t-shirt and a pair of trainers. And this is a little bit more a refined look. So we've got a waistcoat introduced this time, white classic design shirt, and we've got a houndstooth here. This is Italian made, handmade jacket. Very lovely cashmere wool used in it, so it's a very fine, smooth finish. And as you can see from the jacket look, it's very complementary with the jeans, and it's quite a more formalised look than you wouldn't expect those to be jeans, and I can assure you they are. They're not anything like chinos, but they do have the same image, the same look as somebody wearing chinos, but they are totally jeans. There's no other way of describing them. They're 100% cotton jeans, denim fabric, not in colour though. That's the only difference. And again, with a nice pair of shoes, you get a very, I personally think, a good look. If you're going to somewhere that's a slightly informal, semi-formal sort of meet and greet or barbecue, or going to an event where you're meeting somebody after work, or even attending work, this is not a bad look. So one more day to go, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Here we are, day 4, and another look with jeans. This time we're wearing dark jeans again, and wearing the old faithful tweed jacket, livened it up with a pink shirt and a pocket square that picks out some of those pink colours. So dark shoes, brown shoes. This is one of my favourite go-tos, if you like, instead of just wearing jeans and trainers. So as you can see here, there are the shoes. Dark jeans go really well with this sort of look. Lighter jeans tend to wash it out a little bit, and I feel this is a good look. I wouldn't go for, I do wear lighter jeans with this sometimes, but I find the dark jeans much more of a contrast to the actual jacket itself, and it's a bit more of a statement piece. So that's the final day in Cardiff, and now I've got a long journey home after a full day's work. So we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and we like to hear from you. So if you'd like to make a constructive comment, then please feel free to do so. Jot it down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. If you want to know about notifications, then please hit the bell. And also, if you want to make an observation or recommendation, or you have a point you'd like to raise, just jot it down and we'll get back to you. We do like ideas for our videos as well, so we've had quite a few suggestions which we hope to catch up on in the near future. Slowly but surely we'll pick through the list of recommendations and comments made by people about video content. So until next time, take care.